The top 17 places to get filler. Filler treatments are highly versatile and can be used to enhance or restore many areas of the face and neck. Here are 17 of the most common and effective places to inject filler. Temples to restore volume loss and support brow position. Tear troughs to improve hollowing under the eyes. Anterior and lateral cheeks to lift and contour the midface. Piriform area to support the nose and midface structure. Above the lip to correct volume loss or fine lines. Lips for hydration, shape, and volume enhancement. Chin to improve projection and balance facial proportions. Marionette lines to soften downward folds at the mouth corners, smile lines or nasolabial folds to smooth facial expression lines, radial cheek lines to address fine creasing at the lower cheeks, chin shadow to improve shadowing and facial contour, jawline to define and sharpen the mandibular angle, cheek hollows to restore a youthful fullness, nose for non-surgical rhinoplasty and contour refinement, necklines to soften horizontal creases, and chin crease to smooth the horizontal indentation across the chin. Each area requires customized assessment and technique to achieve natural, harmonious results.